Welcome to ServiceMaster Mercia. My name is Kevin Harden and I'm Managing Director here at ServiceMaster Mercia. We are a locally owned and managed cleaning company based here in the West Midlands. As part of the global organisation of ServiceMaster franchise, we are uniquely placed in that we have the local knowledge and expertise combined with the support and backing of the global ServiceMaster organisation. This means that no job is too big or too small. ServiceMaster Mercia have been providing cleaning services to large and small companies for over 11 years. Our success and growth is down to hard work and listening to our clients and their needs. The types of clients we serve across the East and West Midlands are typically offices and commercial buildings, schools, healthcare facilities, distribution sites and retail premises. What sets us apart from the rest? Firstly, we care passionately about our clients, and we are immensely proud of our level of client retention, which is one of the highest in the cleaning industry. We retain our clients due to the high service levels that we consistently provide. This level of service is delivered through our attentive and proactive support teams. Professional contract managers carrying out regular auditing and customer review meetings. We have invested in systems that provide operational efficiencies. Cleaning Mobile, encompassing quality control, audit checks, KPIs and compliant recruitment of staff. Easy Tracker, a time and attendance system guaranteeing consistency of hours. Peritas, a ServiceMaster training platform ensuring all staff get the right training. We have mobile cleaning teams that can provide cover when required. We don't just provide the housekeeper, we can provide hard floor maintenance, carpet and upholstery cleaning, window cleaning, washroom services, waste management, janitorial supplies, one-off deep cleans and high-level cleaning, grounds maintenance and fire and safety services. We care not only for our clients but also for our staff. We ensure that all staff have the right training to carry out their job safely and effectively, with the right equipment and materials. We also ensure they are supported and have regular communication in the field. Each month we provide a number of Cleaner of the Month awards, which individuals can be nominated by our clients. We are passionate about getting it right first time. If you are not getting value for money or the right level of service and support, then why not give us a call? We'd love to hear from you. 0845 155 1026.